What's up YouTube, Cal here to bring you guys another video. I know it's been a while, as it usually is. Yeah, you'll see in the title of this video, but I'm actually doing a review on my first pair of Hoka shoes. So essentially this is not going to be a review on the normal Hoka running or comfort. This is more for hiking, just because I'm going on a trip and I do need a pair of hiking shoes. Because I don't want to kill my Ultra Boost, because the last time I used my Ultra Boost for hiking and it was not ideal, because yeah, I would have almost ripped through the upper material. So luckily it didn't happen, but in general I don't want it to, so I did pick these up. The box, my size is gonna be my size is size 11, so it's actually pretty big. So the shoe we have here is the Anacapa Low GTX. GTX for Gore-Tex. It doesn't really show the color, but I believe on the website it goes, it's called brown tiger eye, something like that. But it's like a nice, it's a nice light brown. So again, mine is a size 11. This would be standard sizing, not wide foot. I have to check if they have wide foot. I have to recheck. But yeah, let me just open this up right here. So it actually opens this way. So it has time to fly, which is really cool. So this is my first time opening a box like that. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna increase it up here. So I'm gonna take the shoes out, so just a second. Right, so this is how it looks in person, or one of the shoes anyways. But I really like the brown on this this shoe. Like just, yeah, I was expecting like an orangey type of color, like a brown orange, but honestly it turned out really nice. This is like, I think, my third time looking at them. So you have Hoka details right here. You have a Vibram outsole at the bottom. You have Gore-Tex right here. So the upper is made of Gore-Tex. Some parts of these are like this, like really, the leather is actually here on the toe box here is really nice. There's some leather here. This area on this side where I'm touching is like the Gore-Tex material. The tongue itself is nicely padded. The shoe, I forgot what this is, but the shoehorn, or not the shoehorn, the thing where you put in the cardboard, but to keep the front nicely form is actually really hard. So definitely good buy. Not a fan of this part though. It does dig a little bit, but not too much. This is not uniform, so it's just I'm just nitpicky. So, but you can actually pull this on. So I'm just nitpicky. Laces are all right. I've only worn this in-house at home. So comfort level, it's definitely not, don't expect it to be super comfortable. This is more for hiking. So yeah, my feet were like wet, because like I'm used to normally wearing Ultras, right? Ultra Boosts. So yeah, don't expect it to be super comfortable. So yeah, it's not gonna have as much bounce as the Ultra Boost, because like when you're hiking, you don't want to, like, obviously you don't want to bounce like off the hill or something, right? So that's what it is. But yeah, so I believe these are just the sizes, or I'm actually not too sure about what this means actually. But you can see like the outsole is very aggressive. Again, just I mainly got them for grip, because like my Ultra Boosts, they do have grip, but I've worn like the Ultra Boosts I have are from 2019, so I did wear them out, the outsole anyways. I wanted something more grippy, especially like because like when we went hiking, it was going down Blue Mountain during the summertime, so it was quite steep, and then the trail was like, there's like a bunch of rocks where you're just like, oh fuck, you know. Yeah, but I really like this detail over here. This is cool. It has like this little leather detail here. In terms of, I can't really speak in terms of like the lacing, because again, I only wore them in house. I never had to like retie them multiple times. In here we have Hoka. Hopefully you can see that there's Hoka branding here. I don't know if you can pull out the insole, but I'm not gonna try to because I'm gonna keep it in there. But yeah, the other shoe. Again, the first time I did like try them on, I was just like, damn, these are huge. But it is what it is. I'm buying them for the use, even though I was trying to also use them for other purposes. I was gonna try to use them for like for regular walking around. Theoretically you can if you don't care about like wearing like giant shoes, but I'd rather keep the grip on these like nice, you know. Potentially maybe use them in winter, but in Canada the winters are really cold, so, and then this upper material is not going to be warm enough for me, so yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, these on the Hoka website are supposed to be for day hiking, so essentially it wouldn't be like what was it, through hike. When I was like researching, I've never done a through hike and I probably won't do it, so that's just me. I did look at Solomon, the low Gore-Tex, the 4s, the ones that are all sold out on the Solomon site. Honestly, I thought the Solomons were good as well because of the grip. The grip was amazing. I just didn't like their lacing system, so that was the throw off for me, because I'd be like, okay, with the Solomon system, like I would literally just like, this would rip really easily for me. So I'm a fan of more of like this type of lacing system where I'd be like, okay, at least I can replace laces if anything. I can tie them. That was the only downside I had with the Solomon ones, but yeah, overall, good purchase. If you guys like this video, comment, rate, subscribe, like this video, share it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.